Do you guys know I use OpenClaw for my business assistance? It helps me do a lot of stuff, and this OpenClaw was not set up by me. I used Hostinger's own managed OpenClaw setup to do all these things. And in the past also I've made couple of videos on them. I would link it right over here where I showed you how easy it is to literally set up your own OpenClaw using Hostinger. The first thing that you need to do is, before doing anything with OpenClaw, you have to go to Hostinger's website. Link will be in the description down below. You have to click in one click OpenClaw. You have to click get started. You can also choose in the API key, and you can also choose in what type of bot you have to connect to. Let's suppose you want to do and go ahead with an OpenClaw on a managed VPS. You just choose in the plan. Once the plan selection is done, you can go and you can put in the coupon code. There are a couple of more options. I would highly suggest going with at least 24 months for the best value. You can also use in the existing AI credits that they have, and also use in web searching credits, web scraping credits, agentic mail if you want to use it, daily backup if you don't want to lose out on your data. You can choose in server location. For me, it's using India, Mumbai, and you can use a Docker application. So in this case, we are using OpenClaw. You can use others as well, if you want to. So once you have, there is a coupon code that you can use. The coupon code is Kushal VPS. Once you put in the coupon code, you will be given some certain discounts, and once the discount is given, you would be redirected to your Hostinger dashboard, wherein you will see this option OpenClaw. Once you log in, you will be shown up with this page OpenClaw, and as you see, I have already bought the subscriptions. I have the credits remaining. I have the Auxilab credits as well. I'll just click and I'll choose my API provider. Let's suppose we are using Nexus, so we'll just click next, and this will simply set up everything for you. Once it is done, it will ask you to connect to your maybe WhatsApp, Discord, or Telegram. Let's suppose I'll just connect it with my WhatsApp, and you just have to click it and generate a QR and add it to your linked device. So again, I'll do that. I'll just link it. The process is super simple. You don't need any technical knowledge for that. It is literally, you actually saw, I just did couple of clicks and it is ready to go. You see, you can now manage using the dashboard, and you can manage the AI Pro, and also you can copy the access key. You see, that's your assistant. Therein you can do almost everything. You can build in skills. You can make agents to do a couple of things, let's suppose you want to do a outreach, to research, right? Perform in some task, build in systems for lead management, and the usage is unlimited. You can literally go all in all and do a lot of things. You can set up different APIs, like you want Anthropic, you want ChatGPTs, OpenAI, and or anything that you want, that you can manage from here. And not just that, because it is on your WhatsApp, so you can literally type in things and manage it using your own WhatsApp. And you can also build in skills to do specific tasks. Let's suppose if you have an audit skill, there are already a couple of skills here. If I am into SEO, so I can of course set up my time management skill that I have. It's using the time management thing. I can use that. I can use in gallery to search for in certain photos. I can use it to host my files, connect couple of different applications like my Gmail, calendar, Slack, WhatsApp, to make things very smooth and complete overall. And this is the setup that I'm using. And let me know, in the past video I showed you how you can connect and do other stuff, but in this video I showed you what are the possible use cases that you can do with OpenClaw. You can go quite deep. You can literally get in research work done, get in audits done, build up small tools and SaaS for your personalized stuff. So that is it, that all you can do with OpenClaw. Let me know how are you using it, and don't forget to check out the link in the description and the coupon code that I have provided, and let me know the possible things that you are doing with OpenClaw. I am right now using it as my personal business assistant to assist me with quick things that a CEO goes through in his entire day-to-day work life. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found anything informative, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any questions, do comment down your query. I will definitely be very helpful to help out and solve your query. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.